Hi vlog! This little one over here. This little one is not feeling the best. Her IBS is acting up, probably because in the last vlog you saw, our kitchen is a mess. She's probably licking around on shit that she shouldn't be licking on. Just finishing watching my last vlog. I had 10 seconds left and guess who came to cuddle? Okay, I'm not angry about it. Now I can clean. We have on the agenda today helping my sister move, so that's fun. It's only gonna be a couple things, so it's not gonna be that major. It's not like a crazy move. And then it's New Year's Eve, so then we have to like do that type of stuff, you know?
So here we go again, it's no surprise, 'cause we know better than to roll the dice. So take this love and try to make it new. You can't fight it when it feels so true. You drive me crazy like no one else. The final moment before I lose myself.
Not me creating more messes while getting rid of other messes. This is Samantha's contribution. I'm so excited about it, but the main reason I'm here, does anybody have these in their veggie trays and dip them? I have never come across somebody who does that. Matt hasn't either. Sammy said she grew up with it. The worst thing. And you don't even eat it from the green part like all the recipe calls for it. You have to dip the white part in, apparently, and eat it like this. I mean, it's good.
I love it.
Your family must walk around with the best breath in town. This is Sammy's cooking channel. 2 hours? Come on, baby. She's had a bottle of 2 or wine.
Alright.
Alright. What?
Alright.
It's alright. Here we go.
Did you get the hello from my brother Johnny? I feel like you did. Because my brother Johnny, he always is just like, whenever he comes.
Oh, like how I say hello?
Yeah.
No, why would I've met him like twice. You think I'm gaining my traits from the brother I've met twice?
No, well, my brother Johnny always does it, and every time he like comes out of the room like in the morning, he's just like, hello? Hello? And it's so funny, and we made fun of him this Christmas for it. And I think maybe you got it from me because I always do it, and Blaine always does it now. We're like, hello?
Oh.
Should I shake it?
No.
Just kidding.
97.
Ready?
Well, we're just gonna do a casual. Whoa. So I have Matt and I's.
Can I be the mister?
That's Matt.
Matt, can I be the mister?
Fuck no.
Whatever, loser.
It literally sounds like it's happening in our backyard.
I don't want that. Matt farted. I'm scared to breathe.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year!
Woo!
Happy New Year! I hate my life.
2022 sounds
Oh,
like
listen to all the
gunshots.
fireworks. It's happening out here in real life.
Literally, listen to them.
Last
You hear
Year's
this,
kiss you're
Cece?
ever getting.
I can hear it.
New Year's murders!
I love New Year's murder.
You know what I'll do is I'll buy one more Mrs. and us 3 can just be together.
All right. We're.
Oh my god, remember when we went to Rachel's baby shower?
Oh yeah. Everyone thought we were a throuple.
Yeah.
It's because the lighting's good over here. That's why there's always this angle. So sorry if you don't like it. I feel like I'm filming in the same spot all of the time. Anyway, the day has come. This thing has been broken literally since I put it on. It's had this crack down it, but now I dropped it and it got even worse. So I'm really excited to change it. Oh. I don't want any bubbles. No. No. Now I just have like this little thing in there. Can you see it? That's just gonna be stuck there. Ohio State just won the Rose Bowl. Matt is very excited, right?
Yeah.
So we're having celebratory wine. He and I surprisingly had the we had the bourbon wine that I was talking to you about the other day, and it was actually freaking good. He really liked it, and I was surprised. Oh, I'm done. I'm tired. But he really liked it, and I liked it too. It had a very unique taste, which I'm guessing is because of the bourbon barrel, but very dry. So if you're a dry gal and whatever the hell, don't get it. You will not like it at all. But I'm actually leaning more towards liking dry stuff now. And now we're going to watch Harry Potter's. I don't know which one we're gonna watch. I'm not that hungover either for New Year's being yesterday. Like, I feel pretty decent right now. So I'm only gonna have like 1 or 2 glasses so that I am at no ounce at all, nowhere near hungover, because that is not what I want for tomorrow. Is it fully sanitary to store your eye mask in the refrigerator, like next to the butter? I don't know. Anyway, I hope your New Year's was amazing and you spent it with people you love. That's it, baby. And then that's all she wrote. Here you go, sir.
Where's my water?
I hate you. I really hate him.
Oh, like said it wasn't.
Tell me why I just imagined me pouring this on your
I
head.
imagine that too, and I'm really glad you did.
This is what we're doing. I got her, he's got him, and we're watching Harry Potter. Rough Sunday, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, buddy. Hi. The Browns are officially done too, so.
Yeah, they're officially eliminated. Football season is over.
So. Washing those. Is this annoying?
No,
I think it will annoy me if I keep going though.
probably.
Me, it's 2022, fresh year, this is so exciting. And then I walk over here and I see this being planned out.
What?
Audrey's payday, Matt's payday, Audrey's payday, Matt's payday. And then when I went downstairs and I was looking for the window replacement guy, I saw January, what we should have, what we have, and the difference. And I'm just like, it's starting. I'm like, I know exactly where this guy's head is at right now. Wedding.
We're correct. You mean someone's gonna hold you accountable for saving money? Oh my god!
Anyway, I know we have to though, because if not, we're not going to afford our wedding. Oh, she wants to cuddle. Let's see if she jumps.
Yep, that's
You gonna jump? You gonna jump? Are you gonna, or are you gonna stay there? See, look at this rub. Oh my god, she loves me. I'm her mother. Time to get my first vlog of 2022 up! Are you ready for the cutest pants in the world for me to show you guys? Okay, I'll do it. Getting ready for this. It'll be an acquired taste. I'm not gonna lie to you, but damn excited for him. Look at him. Would you just look at it?
Look at that. Would you look at it? I was so mad.
Look at the freaking things. The bell bottomy style, are you kidding me? Oh, Cece tried these on with tights. So, now there's a hole in them. Hey, Cece. Ooh. Ooh, look at it. They are definitely a good Chinese manufacturer. Like, you could just tell they're very cheap. But they're so damn cute. If I could buy them in multiple different colors, I would. But yeah, I just wanted to show you how cute they were. Aren't they adorable? Like with some docks. Are you kidding me? Let me show you what they look like. This is what they look like. This is what they look like without shoes on. Kind of wild. But with docks it would be like this. So it would hover right above. Anyway, what I was saying is I wish I had more clothes. Oh, free the nipple. I wish I had more clothes like this because I want to wear clothes like this, but then I don't wear them enough that when I do wear them, people will comment on them like, oh, dressing up, or oh, what you doing? I just don't want people to comment on it. If anything, just say I look cute. What I really think, this is the real truth here, I just think people will not like these. They are an acquired taste, like I mentioned. They won't like them. They'll see them on me. They feel like I'm wearing them as like a statement piece and they have to like them or they have to comment on them. So they're gonna comment on them saying like, oh my God, those are so cute to my face. And then to other people, they'll just be like, did you see those girls' pants? I don't know. It's all in my head. It's called anxiety, folks. Look it up, okay? I'm finally done editing this vlog, so. I was watching the Browns lose, which fucking sucks. They only have one more game this year, but whatever. I have not watched a single minute of it. My friends posted the podcast that I'm on today. So I'll link it below. It turned out really freaking good. I'm so excited about it. So go watch it. It's about Pretty in Pink. If you're interested in that, it's like a movie review commentary channel. It's freaking awesome. That is it for this vlog. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.
We're falling out, we've reached disaster. Don't know where we're gonna be.